Hey y'all, what's up? It's Nye. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can make this super creamy and fluffy facial butter or facial cream for your skincare routine, featuring products that I've received from Nature Package. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that like button. Let's jump right into this video. Nature Package offers high quality premium essential oils as well as carrier oils. As you can see here, I'm going to be using both argan oil, almond oil, and this tea tree oil. I love Nature Package because they do offer full farm direct transparency to their consumers, which means that you know everything that is going into the making of all of your ingredients. I'm also going to be using this amber 2-ounce jar that I received from Nature Package. You guys, I absolutely love how sleek, durable, and just really cute this jar is. So let's jump into the tutorial. First things first, you're going to need some sort of a mixing bowl. I'm working with mango butter. Helps to treat dry skin, treat eczema, and it has really good antioxidants, which will help to repair your skin. So I figured that this would be a really good butter to include in some sort of a facial butter. It also doesn't really clog your pores. Next, we're going in with the shea butter. Shea butter is one of my favorite butters to use in any body butter. It's very moisturizing and nourishing to the skin. So we're going to be using both mango and shea butter. This formulation is going to call for about 50% butter and 50% oil, depending on what butter and oils you are using. If you are interested in the full formulation, I will be including a formulation video over on my Rose Beauty Cosmetics YouTube channel. So make sure that you guys click that link below and subscribe to that channel. That video should be up by next week, so stay tuned for that if you're looking for a full tutorial and recipe for this facial butter. So I'm using Nature Package's Argan Oil. As you can see, it is farm to package, so they do tell you everything that goes into all of your ingredients that you will be using. I'm using argan oil because it's also very good for eczema, and I really love that it provides like a protective barrier on your skin. This is really good for any type of skincare routine that you're doing. Whether you have oily or dry skin, you want your skin to be protected. So I'm going to make sure that I use a good amount of argan oil in this formulation. Argan oil also is very rich in antioxidants and vitamin E oil, as well as providing some sort of protective against any environmental damages like we talked about. But another thing that I like is it just makes your skin feel really soft, and it also has anti-aging properties in it. So next we're going to go in and use the almond oil that I received from Nature Packaging. Make sure that you guys click the link below to sign up, and I'll have all those details included in the description box below. But almond oil is also very rich in vitamin E, you guys. We all know that vitamin E is one of those things that you absolutely must have for your skincare routine. So I'm including a little bit of almond oil in this formulation. I love that Nature Packaging gives me all the different pieces of information that you may need if you are looking to use their ingredients. It's farm to product, you guys. That's amazing. So we got our almond oil going in there, and I want to make sure that I use a good amount because, like I said, this formulation is 50% body butter to 50% oil. So after you've included all of your butters and oils, go ahead and melt that down using the double boil method. I did do that part off camera, but as you can see, both my butters and my oils are combined, and it's pretty hot right now. So the next step in this process is to place this in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes, let it solidify, and then we'll bring it out and start whipping. So as you can see, the body butter is solidified. It's still a little bit soft on the top, which is good so that it's easy to actually whip. I'm going to be using a stick blender with a whisk end attachment. I'll have all these ingredients and everything linked down below, so check my description box for everything you see me using. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this body butter whipped up. I normally whip for about 10 to 15 or 20 minutes depending, but this is a small batch, so 15 minutes should be good. For this particular facial butter, I'm going for like a soft, very airy and light whipped consistency. I don't really like to place anything too heavy on my skin. This is really good to do at the end of your skincare routine to make sure that your skin is moisturized and hydrated throughout the day. So as you can see, I'm just continuing to whip, and I love how fluffy it already is after just about 5 to 6 minutes of whipping, you guys. this combination of oil and butter is perfect. The mango butter is very soft already, but the shea butter is adding like an extra little bit of moisture to it, which I personally love. So I'm going to go ahead and keep whipping, and then I'll show you guys what we're doing last. So next, I want to go ahead and add just a couple of drops of vitamin E oil to make sure that my formulation is loaded with vitamin E. It's very good for your skin. And we're also going to be using Nature Package's very high quality tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is great for treating acne and is really good for just like soothing irritated and skin that has been like damaged by something. So I like to include a couple of drops of this tea tree oil in here. And like I said, everything is going to be linked down below for you guys to check out with Nature Package. And thank you so much to Nature Package for sending me these quality ingredients, you guys. So far, I'm loving everything that I have received. And after we go ahead and whip this up one more time, we're going to add in some arrowroot powder. Arrowroot powder really helps to make sure that your body butters or facial butters are not like super greasy. You don't want something that's going to feel greasy on your skin. So I did go ahead and put a couple of teaspoons of arrowroot powder in this mixture. And then that's pretty much it for the formulation, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and put on some music, and I'll see you guys at the end of this video. Now that our facial butter has been whipped to a perfect consistency, and this is going to be depending on how you want your facial butter to feel and look on your skin. So if you want it to be a little bit more thick and more solidified, obviously you want to use more butter and less oil. But because I did 50-50, you can see how creamy and luscious and just, oh my gosh, y'all, it looks so perfect. I cannot wait to use this on my skincare routine for the night. But let me know in the comments what you guys think about this video, and if you want to see more formulation videos or just me experimenting making new products. So I am going to go ahead and jar up this facial butter using those jars that I did get from Nature Package. But that is going to pretty much wrap up this video. If you did enjoy me making my facial butter, please don't forget to leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of this formula and this video overall. But also make sure that you check out the description box for the links to Nature Package, and check out their website, you guys. You're going to absolutely love everything just as I do. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Love you guys so much. Peace.
I would sail across the world, row this boat from dusk till dawn, to a place where we belong, where your body is calling me. There ain't no sunshine, no sunshine where I was before. But I found the love, the one in your arms. Won't you come closer? Let it take over. I don't need anything, I just want you. When I saw her in my dreams, never thought it meant a thing, till I felt and touched her skin. When she smiles, mine is going. There ain't no sunshine, no sunshine where I was before. But I found the love, the one in your arms. Won't you come?